Did you see the picture of a love in the future so far unknown? Stormy weather rolling upon us. Come with me, let's hide away in a private villa, paid out in your name. 'Cause I'm here to please you, darling. Take off your shoe and let me kiss your lips. Show how much you say you love me, dear. And I will lay in your arms, waiting for the storm to rain. Tell me what's on your mind. Let's stay here forever. Fresh roses are like the glow of dawn, waving in the atmosphere. Summer and winter, spring and autumn, wrap them under their wings. One day a lady walked through her door. She got at the edge of her dress, holding an umbrella over her head in the arms of a gentleman. Fresh roses are like the glow of dawn, waving in the atmosphere. Summer and winter, spring and autumn, wrap them under their wings. It was a beautiful, bright, sunny day. Lovers are in the park, children laughing and singing along to the sound of music. Fresh roses are like the glow of dawn, waving in the atmosphere. Summer and winter, spring and autumn, wrap them under their wings. Get down on your knees and ask my hand in my rage. 'Cause I wanna spend my life with you. I will never say no to you. Let's stay here in the arms of each other. Much love we need to give, much words left to say, but I'm here with you, baby, till the end of dawn. Fresh roses are like the glow of dawn, waving in the atmosphere. Summer and winter, spring and autumn, wrap them under their wings.